So this is my new little pump, which runs off a power bank or any other USB source. I think it's really designed for use indoors. The cable's quite short, it's only about 4 feet long. Maybe a bit more than 4 feet, but it's not terribly long. But I think it's going to be long enough for me to use it in the pond outside, and I should be able to arrange the power bank so that it's reasonably sheltered from the rain and doesn't fail for that reason. So I'm going to go and give it a go. That's quite a good rate of flow from the power pack, and this is a solar recharging power pack, so I'm hoping I'll get a few days operation out of this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to team it up with another pump that's attached to a solar panel to put some extra water through one of the filters in my pond and see how that works. The pipe on here looks like it's a good size to fit the pipes I'm using in my pond to connect things up, so I'm just going to go and get a spare piece of pipe and try it for size before I go and try and install this in the pond. So I've got a couple of pipes here. This is the slightly larger one. I think if I heat that up it'll push over this thicker bit of shoulder there and make a slightly better connection, and I think this is the size that I've actually got connected to my one-way valves in the pond. This one here is a bit smaller, so to get this to fit on at all I'd have to stick it in some hot water, but I don't think this is what I'm using. So there's my new pump connected to that piece of pipe. I actually had to cut a bit off the end, sort of almost circumcise it as it were, but because the thing it was pushed onto before was a tapered pipe, it'll still fit the old one if I decide to put the old pump back. There's something else I wanted to show you, which is this end here has got a flow controller in it, and you slide a bit across inside, and the whole end here comes off for cleaning. I'll just pop it off so that you can see inside. And here's the inside of the pump with a little impeller under there. This cover will come off the impeller as well. And here's the inside of the back cover, off like that. So the flow control is just simply a matter of blocking the direct path to the pump. I'm going to give it full power because I don't think you save much current by running it slower. So the end just pushes back and clicks in place like that. And to get it out, you just slide your fingernail underneath and prise it off. So that blade filter there is being fed by my new pump, which is running off that power bank there, and it's just on the surface of the water of the pond. You can see it just there, that little black thing by the light. So quite a reasonable rate of flow through that blade filter, and it's all down to the new pump.